Preview. Before and after. Let's start. Start by opening PhotoRoom app on your device and import the chosen picture into it. Watch the PhotoRoom magical, removing the background in your photo, leaving the main subject. Once you are satisfied with the results, conform the changes and tap on Export button, then tap on Save to Gallery option. Now open Snapseed app on your device. Insert the original photo into it, then you heal the main subject using Healing tool. Then use Lens Blur tool to remove the background. First, you decrease the vignette strength by swiping down and decrease the transition also. Now you can adjacent the blur of the background by swiping to left and right. After finishing edit, you can export it. Open PicsArt app to add stickers. By opening the app, import the blurred image. Now add the subject. Then click on Sticker option, then search the required stickers you want. Adjacent the size and position of the sticker. Now export the edited photo. Now open Lightroom app on your device. Begin adjacent the photos. Exposure, contrast, highlight, shadow, whites, blacks. Utilize the Curve tool, refine the light and color settings, which can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your photo. Now adjacent temperature, tint, vibrance and saturation of the photo in the color option. Add texture and clarity to elevate the quality of the image and experiment with the vignette effect to add depth and drama. After editing, export the photo. Now, open Phonto application on your device to add attractive text on your photo. After opening the app, click anywhere to add photo. Now, click on Pen tool to add text. Type the text you want. Now select the font which you like. After adding Font Tap on Style option, click on Create Color Pattern option. Select Gradient. Click on Apply button. Then tap on Spacing tool adjacent the spacing words and letters. Now add some stroke. After adding the style adjacent, the size and position of the font. Now you can add the secondary text and give it suitable style. After editing, you can export the image to your gallery. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.